Subscribe to PyCS channel and press bell icon for more updates soon.
Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to understand what is Python variables. Step by step I will explain you what is Python variables in short. Okay, so get start. Python variables. Basically Python variables is what this is used for store value, and Python variables is nothing but just a symbolic name which refers to memory location. Okay, just a object which refers to memory location. And Python variable, in Python we don't need to type of variable. Okay, and in Python variable first character always should be letter or underscore. And it's recommended to use lowercase letters for the Python variable name. Rahul and this Rahul, we will use this lowercase. Okay, while we are writing Python variables. Okay guys, now just understand here what is the naming rules of Python variables. Basically Python first character always should be underscore or an alphabet. Okay, and except first character, all characters should be lowercase, uppercase, underscore or digit. And you cannot use white space or special character while you are writing Python variables. Okay, identifier name must not be similar to any keyword. Okay guys, I will explain you in further video that what is keywords. That keywords cannot be used in variable name because keywords are predefined reserved words. They have a particular special meaning. Okay, identifier names are case sensitive. Okay guys, this name and this name both are my name, but they have different meaning. Okay, this is not same. Examples of valid identifiers. Guys, you can talk about either variables or identifiers. Both are same. Okay. So first character always should be small and alphabet, and you can also use underscore. Okay. Also of invalid identifiers. Guys, we cannot use a special character, and we cannot use first character should be digit, and we cannot give the white space. So these are invalid characters, invalid identifiers. Declaring variables and assigning values. So guys, in Python we don't need to declare variable. What is declare variable? Declare variable means easily, first of all, just write the variable name with variable type. So guys, we don't need to type any data type and any declaration in Python. Guys, we will simply use the equal operator to assign the value to a variable. Okay, some concepts of variables. Okay guys, as we know that we can store 50 integer value inside the A. Yeah, suppose we assign the integer value 50 to a new variable B. A is equal to 50 and B is equal to A. So basically I'm assigning 50 inside the A. Yeah, so both are referring to the same object. Yeah, we can do this in Python. B refers to the same object that A points to because Python does not create another object. Yeah, both are referring to the same object, so why Python will create another object? Let's assign the new value to B. Okay guys, A is equal to 50 and B is equal to 102. Both have the different objects. Okay. Some concepts of variables, which is Python manages memory efficiently if we assign the same variable to two different values. Guys, we can also do this, that in same variable we can assign different values. First, I am assigning age equal 50, and when you will print this, that will print 50, and after that I am assigning 102, and after that when you will print this A, then it will print 102, because guys this is dynamic language, it can change the value by the time. Python case writing methods. Okay, in Python this is the style of variable writing. Okay, there is three type for Python variable writing: camel case, Pascal case, and snake case. Guys, in camel case, just you should remember that first character should be lower, and after that character should be upper case, in upper case. Okay, first character should be lower case and upper. After that, first character should be upper case. In Pascal case, what will happen? We will write here the variable name as first character or also should be uppercase. Okay, this is same as camel case, but first character should be uppercase. Snake case. Okay, snake case, words are separated by the underscore. Okay, these words are separated by the underscore. Guys, we will use here underscore to write snake case. This, okay, this is multiple assignment. Okay guys, in Python what you can do here, you can assign multiple values inside the multiple variables, and you can assign multiple values inside the, guys, in Python we can assign multiple values inside the multiple variables, and we can also assign single value inside the multiple variable. Consider the following example: assigning single value to multiple variables. Single value to the multiple variables z, x, and y. X, y, z. I'm assigning a single value inside three variables, and when you will print it, this is the result. Guys, consider the following example where I'm assigning what? Assigning multiple values to multiple variables. Yeah, we can do this. This statement is correct. Python, we are printing x, y, z, so the value is here. Output is here. Object identity. Guys, in Python, object identity is what? This is a particular. In Python, every created object identifies uniquely in Python. Python provides the guaranteed that no two objects will have the same identifier. The built-in ID function is used to identify the object identifier. Okay, guys, every object has the different identifier. Consider the example. Okay, guys, a is equal to 50, b is equal to a, and when I'm printing id of a, the identifier id is a function which is used for allocate the find out the identifier. Okay, so identifier of a is 140734826911168. Okay, and when I'm printing identifier of b is basically pointing to a. Okay, so I think all should be same, both should be same. 140734982. Okay guys, this is same because b is basically pointing to a and a has the value of 50, so both is pointing same object, and so that's why both has the same identifier. But guys, when I'm assigning a is equal to 500, then what is the identifier of a is different. So guys, you can remember that each object has to be different identifier. Okay, remember guys, each object should be different identifier. Object references. Guys, object references means it is necessary to understand how the Python interpreter works when we declare a variable. The process of creating variable is somewhat different from many other programming languages. Python is the highly object-oriented programming language. That's why every data item belongs to a specific type of class. Consider the following example. Guys, if you're writing Python variables, so basically Python is a highly object-oriented programming language. So here every data belongs to a specific class. And you know what is object-oriented programming language? I will explain you after Python code. After Python code, I will introduce what is object-oriented. So in object-oriented, basically object, class, okay, these things, instance. I will explain you after Python code. So in Python, each data item belongs to a specific class. Okay, so this Python value which has so type of this John, type of John is basically string. Okay, string class. Okay, so this particular variable, this is a value. Basically we can also write here variable. So I'm directly writing here John, which is value. So this value belongs to a particular class which is string. Okay, okay guys, whatever we understand in the Python theories, now we will practical. Just click to Visual Studio Code. And now we will create new file. Click a new file and save it Ctrl+S inside Python core, which is inside desktop. This is and just write here variable where I am writing where .py. Okay, that .py is very important because this is extension. Okay, now guys, first of all I will explain you what is Python variable naming rules. Okay, valid variables. Okay, valid variable name always. Suppose I'm adding name, then is equal to Samir. It can be name of any. Okay, and also you can use underscore the name. And you can also use name underscore 123. These all are valid variables. Okay, and you can use with these. And what is invalid? Is you cannot use digit first. And you cannot use special character while when you are writing name or etc. Okay, so this is valid and this is invalid and this is valid. And if you want to print it, then print name name underscore 123. Guys, when you will run this program, as I told you last time that you have to correct the path. Now we are inside this Samir, so we will go to the desktop and complete Python. Okay, cd stop and then complete. We don't need to write whole, just press tab. Okay, now press Python and var .py. Okay, just press the enter. Okay, these all are valid variables, so that's why the output generates. But what I'm doing, I'm printing this values. So then what will happen? Control plus S, guys. Remember it, then you have to save. Guys, this is what invalid syntax, that it cannot run. Okay, either you are running this also, you cannot run. Okay, this is not possible. Invalid syntax, you cannot run. That's why, guys, this is invalid variables. Guys, suppose a is equal to 50 and b is equal to a. So when you will print a and when you will print b, then just print it 50, both is 50 because both are pointing to the same object. If what am I doing here, I want to find out identifier. Id is a function, you can use it